Hi all, this is another tutorial from Heekscad. This time we will make text, extruded text here. As you see, there's a rumor in the YouTube space that this will not work. It's as easy as it should be. So let's start. I'm Lothar from Germany and I will show now. First we delete these parts here, then we go to A. Here you can see the text that is generated. I press Control to move it around. Here you can insert, let's say we need a temp. We have to choose an outline, so we can use this one here or the next one, this one here, it's outlined. Now go with the right mouse button, make a sketch of this. Now we have our sketch, mark the sketch and extrude it up. There's our extruded text. As you see here, we have now 4. This is the outside, this is the inside. So we have to make a boolean here. First mark the first one, hit shift, mark the second one and hit boolean, cut one solid out, and there is our text. Perfect mate. So you see it works the easy way. Have a nice day. See you next tutorial. Bye for me from Germany.